Bang, look where we are. Right, let's start this video off. Obviously you saw in the last video the Audi TT freshly wrapped. There's Kevin, there's Hannah. And we are at Malory Performance. So I do apologise straight away for the absolute woeful autofocus on my camera. I did drop it. I know I got a comment in the last video, 6,500 subscribers and you can't afford a decent camera. It is on my Christmas list. But today the video is not on the Audi TT, it is on the BMW 1 Series, and we're here at Malory Performance to collect the 1 Series because they have been doing some testing on their self-tune, which we used to tune the Audi TT with, and will be available very soon for the BMW 1 Series, and which will possibly be in the next few videos tuning the BMW. But today we will be fitting the Msport bumper to the rear to hopefully transform the rear of the car. If you're not a subscriber and you're new to the channel, make sure you click subscribe now and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any videos on the Audi TT, the BMW, or plenty of other cars for that matter. So, and guys, feel free to put in the comments any suggestions of what videos you want to see on these cars, or if you've got a car that you think might be interesting for my channel, let me know in the comments, or just give me a message on Instagram or Facebook. Let's get this garage open, let's get the BMW out. So guys, as you can see, the rear bumper is just the normal BMW bumper, and I think this is just the SE model. So the spoiler is actually looking pretty sick. The car is filthy as anything. So today we are going to be changing this bumper into the M Sport. Hopefully it's going to give it a completely different look from the back. In the future videos as well, I'm definitely going to have to change the front end of this car, and this bumper just is a bit lame. Let's get in the car, let's get it on the driveway. It's going to need a clean at some point. I'll probably clean it after we've installed the bumper. So let's go back to the house now. So here it is, the M Sport bumper, bought off Facebook Marketplace because I'm a scum. Doesn't look like it's going to be that hard to change. I mean, I've just had a look underneath. It looks like we've got, zoom in, got one bolt there. That looks like there was a bolt there. Another bolt down there. These look like there's all been bolts at the back there, so probably gonna have to remove that diffuser. But I don't know if it's gonna be the same for that. Probably not. And then all the bolts down here. So first thing, let's jack this up, let's get the bolts removed from the side, then we'll sort of try and suss it out from there. So what can we see? You guys can see not much, but there's, just like the front bumper, an 8mm, an 8mm, and an 8mm, so 3 8mm to take them off. Let's go for some 8mm and then see how far we can get. 8mm. I've undone those 3 8mm and I've just pulled the bumper away, and then I can see here, and there's like a little bracket holding it on, which is secured by these 2 8mm here, and then there's a few running all along the bottom, which I've just noticed. So I'm just going to get at these now, and then that should all pull away. This could be quite easy. I have jinxed it now. So I think we've got parking sensors and stuff on the rear. Well, we have got parking sensors, I don't think, I know. So I've got to disconnect them from somewhere. I've just got to find the main connector, and in classic fashion it's just started raining. But let's see if I can find the connector for this. But first let me do the 8mm, which are on this side. should be able to pull this away. Oh, easy. So we are out. These are all off the parking sensors. I literally just have to pull them off like normal clips. These are off the reg plate. I don't know if the connectors are going to be the same. They don't look the same. But oh look. The joys of Facebook Marketplace. It's just literally been butchered off. We are bumperless at the back. Whilst we're here actually, let's take a look at the exhaust, because I don't necessarily want to change the exhaust, but I think it would be cool to change the tips, but it doesn't look that possible just to change the tips because it's quite a strange shape. So I think maybe do a back box delete or something. Okay, so I've just sort of put this roughly in, but what I'm going to do before I connect everything up, I'm going to check the parking sensors work, and I'm going to check the new reg light works, because it'd be a nightmare if I have to take it all off again, but it's looking pretty good. Let's check it out. Aha, so I have got a reg light out. Yep. They don't work. So the reg lights don't work, so the old ones will have to go in. I'm really unsure that the parking sensors work. I think the parking sensors work. Guys, make sure you click subscribe, because I'm out here struggling in the rain. Least you can do for me watching this if you're enjoying it. Let's probably change the red lights back to the ones on the old bumper over there. Yes, got the LED ones working. I've sort of sussed it out. Let me get one here. So yeah, what actually it turns out is that I've got them in the wrong way. If they go in that way, which the plug don't go in because there's something blocking it down there, they actually work. So what I actually do, I just get the butchering tool and adjust. Oh my god, it's actually pissing it down now. So actually let's cut away half of it so I can fit this in the wrong way. Ah. And there we go. It is working. So we are about there. It needs a real clean, which I will do in a minute. This Msport bumper, I never did any research into this before, but it's actually wider long wise. So look, that's where the old bumper came to, and this is where the new bumper is. So there's actually quite a big difference there, but so it fits and everything. It's just left me with a load of bolts which ain't gonna go in, but I mean it's on pretty secure there. Let's get this thing down and let's get this thing cleaned, and I will show you the end result in a minute. You can already see the difference, like in length this way. It makes this car look so much more aggressive. Let's clean it and I'll give you the end result. And that is it. I'll do a full walk around now. I'll just I've noticed that the car's quite high at the back because I've had it jacked up, had the handbrake on, so if I just take the handbrake off, pull it off, I'll show you guys a quick walk around of it and the final product. So guys, there it is, all finished. It does definitely look so much more aggressive and it looks nice. sitting with the Audi TT there, and then the BMW 1 Series. I think the next step is to definitely get either, let me know what you guys think, either the 1M bumper or the BMW Msport bumper. I'm not too sure. I think if I go with the Msport, it's a bit too OEM, but I do like the 1M bumper, but I know it's got no parking sensor holes, and it will need to be sprayed as well, which is a bit more expensive as well. But if you guys want to see it, let me know. So hopefully I've inspired you guys to do a bit of work on your own cars now. If I have, make sure you click the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you're already a subscriber as well. Let me know what you guys want to see next on the BMW or on the TT. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.